Hello friends, welcome to my channel, and in this video we are looking at the Lenovo Legion M200. Okay, let me show you the package. This is a great option for amateur beginner PC gamer. In the front side it says ergonomic 5-button design and multicolor RGB backlight and up to 2400 dpi with on-the-fly switch. So let's take a look. On the top of the box we can see the Legion logo, and in the bottom we can see the product name. You can open the box like this, and here you can see the photo of the mouse in the left side and the real mouse in the right side. There is a user manual and warranty card inside the box. And here is our mouse. The wire looks like in good quality. There is two buttons in the left side of the mouse. One is forward and the other one is backward. On the top we can see the DPI button. Okay, this mouse is good for gaming and also for editing.